Unlocking the power of text-to-text connections in active reading. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on effective study strategies, specifically focusing on active reading techniques. Today, we're diving into a really exciting topic: text-to-text connections. This is a game changer for anyone looking to not just read but truly understand and remember what they're studying. Text-to-text connections are links that you mentally create between the text you're currently reading and other texts you've read before. This can include books, articles, essays, basically, any form of written material. Making these connections allows your brain to form a web of information, making it easier to recall details, identify patterns, and deepen your comprehension. You might be wondering, why is this even important? Well, text-to-text connections help you in three main ways. 1. Increased retention. By linking new information to what you already know, you're more likely to remember it. 2. Enhanced understanding. Making connections helps you see the bigger picture, putting the new information into context. 3. Critical thinking. When you relate texts to one another, you are actively engaging with the material, evaluating it, and drawing your own conclusions. So, how do you actually make these connections? Here are some steps to follow. 1. Identify key ideas. As you read, mark or note down the main points or themes. 2. Pause and reflect. After reading a section, take a moment to think if it reminds you of something else you've read. 3. Make a link. Try to identify what exactly links the current text to the previous one. Is it a similar theme, concept, or argument? 4. Note it down. Make a quick note of the connection. You can jot it down in the margin or keep a separate notebook for these connections. Let's go through a quick example. Suppose you're reading a book on climate change and it discusses the melting of polar ice caps. You remember reading a scientific article before about rising sea levels. That's your connection. Both texts deal with the broader theme of environmental changes and their consequences. A couple of things to keep in mind. 1. Quality over quantity. Not every text will connect strongly with another. Focus on meaningful connections. 2. Don't force it. If you can't find a connection, that's okay. The aim is to enhance understanding, not to create a web so intricate that it becomes confusing. And that wraps up our video on text-to-text connections. We hope this technique adds a powerful tool to your study arsenal. Remember, active reading isn't just about absorbing information, it's about interacting with it. So the next time you pick up a book or article, try to see how it connects with what you already know. Happy studying!